my left, Mr. Billy West from Lewis, Delaware, for 35 years. And an honor and a pleasure to play with my man to my right on bass guitar from Princess Anne, Maryland, Mr. Charlie Prudchette. The best to work for, I ain't lying.
He's a pussy.
That too. You are what you. But thank y'all very kindly, and right now we got a buddy of ours who came all the way from Route 450 out here, past the mall. You know, we travel, man, we goddamn put miles on our ass, I ain't lying. But through the years, believe me, we've seen most of the United States and a couple other countries, and this gentleman right here has done it all with all of them. Charlie and Chris, we're putting one on you, brother, I'm sorry. But ladies and gentlemen, this is Prutchette from Annapolis, Maryland. Have you ever heard the band Texas? This is the man playing that damn horn on there. Get over here, Dale. Get on the other damn side. Good luck walking back there, because I couldn't find my way through there. You're going to stumble and step. Yeah. But Dale was around doing tours with Elvis Presley when I was still wondering what I couldn't even spell guitar. So this gentleman, this song is off of our third or fourth album, I forget, but it's called Black Box and goes like this. Billy, you just go ahead and intro, because that damn drum. Where's the drummer tonight anyway? Take it off, Greg!